Okay, let me show you one more very cool thing that can be demonstrated with the horizon globe. And this is the study of shadows. Now, I always find it amusing when I'm with somebody in a strange place and we get a little turned around in our directions and they reach for their smartphone to figure out which way north and south is. And on a clear sunny day. Now, in fact, all you have to do is look at the shadows, and anybody should know that. But people have gotten out of the habit of doing that. And shadow studies can be quite interesting. It was actually how the Greeks first got interested in understanding figures like ellipses and hyperbolas. So the way that you can do shadow studies with the globe is, right now we replace the sun with a lamp, and you put a little magnetic stick in the center, and then you simply turn the globe to show how the sun moves across the sky at a particular time of year. Right now I have the sun close to the summer solstice position, and it's noon, and so you see a very short shadow here. And then as the sun goes down in the sky in the afternoon, you see the shadow turn and get longer, and eventually even point toward the south, because the sun sets in the northwest. Okay, now let's look at what happens if we move the sun now to the winter solstice position. I'm going to have to cut that. Okay, so now we're near winter solstice, and you see how low the sun is in the sky and how long the shadows are. Now here I'm showing a position that's up near Seattle. Let's change the latitude here. Let's go down to San Francisco at least, so we get a little bit more of a shadow that is more sharply defined here. But you see how much the shadows change from winter to summer, and by tracing the end of the shadow, the students can actually start to see certain mathematical figures here. And of course, if we can go up to the North Pole and see that the shadows go in circles, and the entire shadow studies can be done with the globe for any latitude, any position on Earth. So this is the simplest way that I know of for a student to really come to understand the mathematics of shadows, which is, you know, a very cool thing to know. You won't be reaching for your smartphone just to figure out what your directions are.